Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make an origami rose. I've already taught several origami roses here in the channel, but this is the version I like the most because it's not too difficult to make and in my opinion it's the prettiest. To make a model like this you'll need a square sheet of paper. In this video I'll use 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches. Our first step is to fold this square into an 8 by 8 grid. The easiest way to do this is to first fold it in half, unfold, and then fold both sides to the middle. Next, keeping this folded, we'll have to fold both sides to the middle again. Unfold everything, and the paper was divided into 8 vertically. For the next step we need to repeat the same logic but horizontally. As before, we start by folding it in half, unfold this, bring the bottom and top sides to the middle, next, keeping this folded, we'll fold the two sides to the middle again. Unfold completely, and we have our 8 by 8 grid. For the next step, we will have to turn the paper over and fold it in half along the diagonals, creating something like an X. To do this, bring one corner to the other, align everything carefully, and reinforce the crease. Do the same with the opposite diagonal. And we have our X. Now fold each corner to the middle. Start with the top right corner, bring it carefully to the middle, and reinforce the crease. Then do the same with the other three. After that, unfold the four corners, to make the next step easier, rotate the paper in this position, and now we need to create two new vertical lines here. To do this, bring the right corner to this line here, the one we made on the left. unfold, and repeat with the other side. Unfold this one too. Now we have the two vertical marks. Repeat the same process horizontally. So bring the bottom corner to the top. Then the top corner to the bottom crease. Return to the previous position and turn it over. Now, using these marks we made, we are going to bring the right side to the middle, then the left side to the middle as well, then bring to the middle the bottom side, closing the corners like this, and then the same with the top side. Flatten the flaps, leaving one on each direction. Now pay close attention to the next step. In the middle we have overlapping layers. Starting with the top corner, we'll have to bring the edge of this layer to the left. Now bring the second layer to the side as well, closing this part. Now let's close the top horizontal layer. Once done, rotate the paper and repeat on the next one. Now we just need to close the second layer and then also the horizontal layer. Same thing with the next corner. And moving to the last one, just close the remaining part. This is the result. Again, to make the next step easier, we need to reinforce these four corners here. The next step is the most important, so pay close attention and fold carefully. Holding the paper in this position, we'll have to put the end of the right corner inside this space on the left, between these layers. Then we'll flatten this corner here to close it. In the end, this side will look like this. Keeping this corner closed, we need to repeat the same on the next side. The same with the next one. And then the same with the remaining corner. Here you have to be a little more precise when placing the paper. But following the same logic as before, you just need to put the corner of the right side between the layers of the left. Finishing this step by step, we have this result. We just need to give a few more details. So we need to open and shape the first layer on each side, creating a curve on the side of the petal. Repeat the same with the next one, being careful not to undo anything. Then repeat the same with the other two. Finishing this part, our origami rose is ready, but for a better result I recommend using a toothpick or any small cylinder to curve these four corners and create more realistic petals. With that, the origami rose becomes even more beautiful, and if you want to put a little more effort and improve the details even further, you can shape each petal a little more and get even better results, like in this example here. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you were able to make it, thank you so much for watching, see you next time.